I can now deploy more complex stacks just as easily. And we're going to do that with dockercoins. So with dockercoins, I still need to build and push to my registry. Remember, we wiped out the registry, we deployed it, but now it's an empty registry, so we have to push our images again. So okay, I could do docker compose -f dockercoins.yaml build. Bad news, it's telling me blah blah blah, version not supported. So the current version of Compose 1.9 doesn't support Compose file v3. So it might be yeah, that's annoying. So it's going to be supported soon, and in the meanwhile, if we get the master version of Compose, we'll have everything we need. So it's sudo pip install git plus git colon / github.com/docker/compose. Right, so let's get this development version of Compose. Now I do #docker compose to update my path. And now I do docker compose -f dockercoins.yaml build. The build was almost instantaneous because even though we wiped out the registry, the local image cache is still there. Now I do docker compose dockercoins push. I'm pushing to the registry. So how does this file works exactly? So I'm going to go to my stacks directory and have a look at dockercoins.yaml. So for each service, I have both build and image lines. So at first, we're like, wait, I thought you had to be one or the other and not both. Well, you can have both, and it makes complete sense. It means the RNG service is built from the RNG directory, and the image should be named localhost 5000/RNG. And here I even added some extra bells and whistles. I said that the image should be named the registry /environment variable, which defaults to localhost 5000. And behind RNG, I put the colon tag environment variable, which defaults to colon latest. You might wonder why registry / and colon tag instead of the more straightforward $registry /RNG $:. The problem is that if I used $registry, then if I specify an empty registry, I won't be able to build with local image names. Sorry, that's not super clear, but that's the thing explained on that slide before. If I give empty variable names, then I would end up with /RNG : as an image name, and that would be an invalid name. So yeah, so that's my file. And if you use docker compose locally, you do docker compose up, it will still work with the completely normal compose workflow on the local machine, but the same file can be used by Docker stack to deploy a number of services. With that syntax, so docker stack deploy, dockercoins -- compose file dockercoins.yaml. And that was really the interesting part, because this is definitely simpler than the Docker service create Redis, and then the for loop to do the Docker service create with each service, and then publish the port, and etc., etc., etc. The nice thing also is that if I change something in the compose file, okay, so let's go to the web interface somewhere. We should see. And it's already going at 50 hashes per second, because in the compose file, I've put replicas 10. So I'm already scaled all the way as I want. And if I want to go even higher, I can update this, and then I just rerun the deploy command, and it will update each service. And now in my browser, this just goes up.